So what we're seeing from Shiba Inu right now are some extremely bullish changes, and with a couple things happening across the crypto market right now, you need to be prepared for what is coming still this year in terms of Shiba Inu price. And I want to talk about what price may look like on December 31st, as well as a very important metric that just hit 48%. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I'm having problems saying that today. Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Sheesh, I'm glad I got through that. So here's the thing, guys. This Shiba Inu chart is extremely bullish. We're on our breakout. Yesterday was another big candle day, up about 15%. Shiba Inu at times has been the best performer in the market. There's a lot of excitement surrounding Shiba Inu right now. It started to make a strong move yesterday, and that move got even more exciting and a little bit kind of downplayed because of Bitcoin actually breaking 100K. 100K Bitcoin is a very, very big deal. But what is also coming on the back of this is this Ethereum push. Ethereum is pushing very, very close to $4,000 currently. And in fact, it's very close to breaking this high from back here in May. And in fact, it's a stone throw away from a new cycle high, which would be huge for Shiba Inu because it is an ERC20. Remember, as the price of Ethereum is on the rise, it tends to drag ETH LPs with it. And Shiba Inu, one of its largest pairings, is with Ethereum. So Shiba Inu naturally is going to want to move to the upside as Ethereum is making this move as well. So this is very exciting. We talked about this short move that Shiba Inu needs to make for a breakout yesterday. And it currently sits at about 15% away from that. So we're looking really good from that standpoint. But what's interesting about this is we're seeing, again, optics on the climb for Shiba Inu. This is what it actually looks like over the last 30 days. And you can see that it is flipping around, rising back up. We're going to make a push kind of like we did on that December 1st. If you guys remember, that December 1st candle was a nice, explosive, exciting one to the tune of 15%. So Shib may have another 10 to 20% day in the very near term. This isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. But what is also suggesting this is over the past few days, we have actually seen Shiba Inu adoption rate at almost 49%. All right. What that means is that the transactions that are taking place for Shiba Inu, 48 to 49% of them are being done by wallets for the first time. So first time holders of Shiba Inu, this would mean obviously accumulation. And what we're seeing is this unprecedented level of adoption. We are dealing with obviously some unloading, some capitulation. We're kind of moving with some of the markets in general. So as we see drops across the space, like BTC has done a couple times, it's drugged the price down of Shiba Inu, unfortunately. But at the same time, I should have had this pulled up. Shib dominance has actually been doing well. You guys can see it continues to make these pushes, setting higher and higher floors here. And what I really want to see on this next extension is a break basically past 0.65%. So Shib has been outpacing what most of the market has been doing from that standpoint. And Shib BTC is getting close to another breakout as well. So Shib is doing all the right things right now. And it's all about just letting the market play out, letting Shib play out, right? Now, that being said, what price is Shiba Inu going to be on December 31st? So this is from an article I found from CoinGate. And what they were actually suggesting was that Shiba Inu may pump to as high as 4054 by December 31st. So they're looking at the fundamentals. They're looking at some of the different analytics when it comes to Shiba Inu and across the crypto market. And this really wouldn't surprise me at all. In fact, I believe my price projection for this year was 406 on this next extension. And again, when Shib gets moving, it may not even stop there. If you guys remember when I talked about Shib all the way back in March, I talked about us capping at about 4020. And then we got the extra burst of retail excitement that sent charts even higher. So here's the thing. If we get this adoption to continue, if we continue to see excitement around the market in general, you may see some of that outside capital again start to flow in and push Shiba Inu price higher than expectations. This would not surprise me if this extension runs into, again, the earlier part of the year, Shiba Inu breaking a new all-time high. It's going to happen a lot sooner than people realize. And right now is not the time to be complacent. I hope most people are prepared for this, but we have some very exciting times ahead. When Ethereum really starts to outpace BTC in a big way, which it has started already, you're going to see the shift to blue chips starting to make up some very, very significant ground. And Shiba Inu is a blue chip, guys. It is the 12th largest coin in all of crypto. It's number 10 if you don't count stables. And this optics and adoption that are high right now, they're only going to grow even further because remember, this is Shib's first bull market cycle. It's still a coin in its infancy, which means it has all the room in the world to grow. So appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. Where do you think Shib price is going to be come December 31st? But have a great day. Show your love. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.